Hey everyone, it's Megan with Alder Nance, and I wanted to say happy Thanksgiving, and I hope you are all having a wonderful start to your holiday season. This week I am still working on Skyler's dress, but with Thanksgiving I haven't had that much of an opportunity to work on everything, so I apologize. I'll share with you some of the photos and things like that that I have gotten of my work this week, and it looks like not very many people actually enjoyed the vlog style photo or video from last week, so I'm glad I didn't really do it vlog style this week either. I've worked on it, we finalized the pattern, and I am going to start working on one more mock-up for her that you'll see at the start of next week, and then I'm actually going to start working on the actual dress. So here is some of the photos and some of the pattern that I've been working on.
The new bodice shape, much better. Can you turn around to the side so I can see the back? And the back of it. And we do plan on doing this little bit of a Y shape. After adding proper undergarments, the pattern fit 1,000 times better on Skyler.
And as you can see, I went ahead and reprinted out the back piece of the pattern. I have gone ahead and adjusted it and cut it off where we'll be doing the corseted back, and it is down to the regular size at the waist, but I did adjust it to where it's 5/8 inch of a fold over here for me to sew in the loops and everything. And this way it'll also give me a guide of where to actually place the loops. This right here goes up because that's what ends up happening when you fold it over with that. I was originally going to take a 1/2 inch off both here and here, but with her new bra and lingerie set that she'll be wearing underneath the bodice, we don't need that extra 1/2 inch taken off. But the actual bodice ended up being perfect. It is the FG cup size 20 all the way around, and we'll go from there. I've got to actually cut out the straps on this one for her because the latest round of working on it, I did not need the straps to actually test it on her. I wanted to share with you, I've got two different pieces for the lining. I've got this dark red and also this one right here that I'll be using to actually line the bodice. And it's actually going to have about 3 to maybe 4 layers of actual inner lining and lining plus the actual fashion fabric. So I'm using the red satin, and James actually bought this for me to use from Walmart. It's 3 yards of the 100% cotton, and it seems to have a tighter weave than this piece that I got from Joann's. So I'm going to use that. I've got the black ribbon that I need to actually lace up her dress, plus I also have bias binding to put in all of the bonings for it, and I will show you the boning tool that I ended up purchasing from Lowe's. I went ahead and picked up this Craftsman snips that actually ended up being able to cut the flat steel boning. I have not actually tried cutting the spiral, but it should work. If I'm able to cut the flat steel with this, I'll be able to cut the spiral.